welcome back to the channel. Today I'm doing a Ikea haul. We went to see my parents who live West Midlands, and we went to Ikea. We were only going to have a look at stuff, and then £120 later. So we went to I think it's the Wednesbury one. Is it Wednesbury? I think it's the Wednesbury one we went to. So it's a variety of stuff. I'll show you this site. The first thing we got, I'm not gonna pick it up, it's really heavy, is a bookcase. I'm just looking at to see if I can find it. I think it was. It's a bookcase. Is it? I don't know if it has a name. Let's have a look. It's heavier than you think. It's called Bagaboo, and it's like a 2-story bookcase. This is for Jack's room, and this was, I think it was £12. I think, yeah, £12. So it's 50. I think it says 50 by 30 by 80 centimeters. So and that's just like a plain white one. I'm just going to pop it down out the way because you just won't see any. So just leave it there. So next we got this for Kai. Jack has got one. And Kai really likes it, so we got this for Christmas for him. So it's like a circus tent to go in his room. It's from 18 months plus that you can use it. So it's like, if you can see, it's like a red circus, just like a circus tent. You've got all the poles. This was £12. I don't think these are bad because like the teepee, they're like 30-40 quid, so we've got that. Then we got some curtain poles. So we've got some white ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I think these they were £1.50 each. Well, I don't think it was that. So they've got a good. They're not overly, but they're quite thick, so I got them in white because my daughter Ellie, if you knew, my daughter Ellie and Jack have got special needs. Well, Ellie has got more severe special needs, but somehow she breaks the poles, so we've got 4 of them. So, and then we got this, it's a mat. Simon did tell me what it was for. If you can find the price. We got this mat for a reason. It might just jump out at me when I look at it. I think it's like £1.50 or something. £1.50. Something like that. I think it is. Oh yeah. We bought this to go at the bottom of the stairs. Because we've got laminated floor, and we thought this would be alright to put on there. Got that. Then, of course, without going to Ikea, you cannot get my words right, you cannot get in dime bars. So we got some dime bars. So you get 460 like little mini dime bars. So you got researchable. And I think these was £4.95. I don't think it's bad. And I think it's per thing, every calorie counting. I think it's like, I'll just show you how small, they're very small. So they're just like that. And I think these are like 100. I don't know. 139 calories, I'd say. Yeah, so 139 quid for one of them, I'd say. 100 grams is 543, if that's any good for anybody. I got them. Then we got some cutlery for the children, so little pastel colours, knives, forks and spoons, and these are £1.25 each, what I don't think's bad. And these are, I think these are dishwasher proof. Let's just say wash before use. I think you can we put ours in a dishwasher. I got them. Then I got in here, so we got a set of just a set of plastic, like got a flipper, I call it like a bacon picker, and a spoon, and I think we got these for the caravan. So I think these ones were not very much. I don't know. Where are they? A couple of quid, I'd say. We got a pair of scissors, because somehow our scissors gone missing. So pair of scissors, I think they were like 70p, oh 50p they was. And then we got one of these. These is we've got these in the house. I think we bought another one. We're in the caravan. If you're new, we've got a static caravan. And these are like £1.50, some £1.50. So then I got a wooden spoon. These are 50p. Then I got two of these. Sorry, I don't know if I find the other one. I got two of these. So they're two big glass like containers and airtight. These was £2.50, and what I'm going to do, I'm trying to get my sort of pantry jars like in order. So they come, they're like a mason jar, you could say they was, and they're good size. I do a lot of baking, so what I decided to use these, I've got some stickers, so I'm going to use these for plain flour and self-raising flour, and just put them labelled, and then I'm going to make it just look a bit neater. So I got them. I just thought they will look so much better. So I'm trying to organise, if that makes sense. So I'm just gonna let me. So they're just like that. And I think they're like, I don't know how big they are. What's there in the menu seat? I think it's 1.8 litre. It's got 1.8. Whatever that means, I don't know. So I got them. Then we got some blue bags. So we got 1, 2, 3. We've got 7 blue bags because Kai put extra ones in. They're just handy to go shopping and that kind of thing. So, and I think that was, they were 50p each. So I got them. Then I've got 2 packs of some spice wrap jars. Let me just show you. Wait, I'll put one to show you. So like I said, I'm trying to organise my kitchen. So you've got like little spice. I bought 2 packs. I think these were £2.50 as well. A pack of 3, I think. They were £2.50, I think these was. I've got a funny feeling. I think. So you've got just like the mini version of the big one. So I'm going to put my spices and label them all. So I'm going to do them with them. Also we got kitchen wise. We got a little stirrer thing that is like £1. And then I think we got. So I keep saying that. We got 4 sets of little spoons in metal because they go missing. So we got 4 sets. So you get 1, 2, 3. You get 4 in each pack. It's like £1 or something, dirt cheap. What I like about Ikea is it's the best place to go if, say, if you're moving house, uni and stuff, it's just really good. So we got them. Simon put in 3 of these, and I think these was £6. So these are a US 3-port USB. So he's bought these for the kids' room for their radio and stuff like that. So we got 3 of them in white. So they were £6 each, like I said. And then we got some cutlery set in, like, I'd say a turquoise colour. So you get 4 little spoons, 4 big spoons, 4 knives and a fork. And these was, I don't know how much these was. Let's have a look. I did just see. I did see just. These were £8. I didn't think it was bad. So these are going to go in our caravan. So we got them. And then Kai put these in some chalks. So you've got white chalks, red, orange, yellow, green, blue and purple, and these were like £1.25. The kids love using these like outside, so I got them. Then I got myself, like, I'm trying to be organised in that respect. So I've got a built-in wardrobe, but I wanted some like boxes, say for like my bras, my pants, my nightwear, my t-shirts and so I got these and they looked okay. So you get 6 in a pack, but they're all different sizes. So they're just like a white PVC, I would say they are. So I've got a zip. If I can do it. So they're good. So you got that one in that size. So you get 2 of the same size each. So and then you've got one in that size. Same thing, you get zip, so be handy. That's that one. And then another one. I just wanted to show you the sizes. You get like a little one. You got this top. that's yeah, so you, and then the other one. So if they're any good, I think I might order them online. And these was, I think they were like £5, I think. £5. I've got a feeling they were £5. Yeah, 6-pack white, £5. So I'm gonna see if this works. And the best till you let last, the best thing to last, if you don't go, I'm going to admit, I am Kate, or Katie if you want to call me, and I have got a candle addiction. I absolutely love candles. It's my thing I go for. And if you don't go to Ikea without picking candles up, I don't know why you don't, you know what I mean? So, I've got different things what Kai put in and stuff, really. So, I got some 20, I'm going to find it, white cream candle, and these to go in our kitchen. And I will tell you the price if I can find it. Let me find it. Can't find it. Sorry about this. I think they were like £3 or something. I'm just guessing now. I think they were like... Oh, they've got a G. Oh, wait a minute. I might be able to find it because it's got a G. But this is so boring for you too, because it's bugging me now. I think they were like £3 or £4. That's what I'm thinking. Really. And you get 20 in them, and they're like 6 hours. So these are for our candle thing in the kitchen. Then I got, this was from what Kaya put in, a cherry one, and I think this was like £1.50. Oh, it's really nice. And these are 40 hours for £1.50. They just smell really nice. So I got one of them. I got 2 of them, sorry. I got 2 of them. And then I got like apricot one, and these were £1.50 again. So you get your 40 hours. So, and these are ideal, like, to reuse a glass as well. I got 2 of them. Then I just got some, these are just plain ones. These are like unscented. So you got like church, I'd say church thingy ones. And these were £3. They were £3. Yeah, £3 they were. Main reason I wanted to go is to get my tea lights because they are dirt cheap. So I got the tea lights in cherry, what I will use for my wax melts as well. So these were like, I think they were £1.50, I think. They were £1.50. But they smell really nice, so I've got a pack of them. Then we got a pack of the apricot ones as well, so you've got 30 in, and these were £1.50. Then I got, this is the vanilla one. like a vanilla ice cream, what I got as well. And then my last and final one is I got 100 tea lights. You might think I've got a candle fetish, it has, because these are like, this was £3.50 for these, what I think are really dirt cheap, and we don't go to Ikea very often, so I stocked up on my candles. Anyway, so that's everything, I think. So that is the end of my haul. It's a bit of a random one. We don't go very often, so I thought I would show you what I got. And we spent, like I said, £120.70 for all that. I didn't think that was bad. A lot of it was on candles. I got them. So hope you like it. If you could give it a good like. Also, if you want to comment on what your favourite item is. And if you do go to Ikea, what is your go-to thing you pick up every time? That'd be nice to know. My go-to is candles. I just know because they're that cheap. It's my go-to, and I think also like I say my second or third thing would be like the cutlery and that, because they're really cheap for what you pay. So it'd be nice to know what you liked in the haul and what would be your go-to thing when you go to Ikea. So if you would like to subscribe. So I am going to love you and leave you, and I hope to see you here very soon. Bye.